ball to me. Okay? Alright, so we will do the teamwork, proper teamwork today. Okay? Boys, whatever you do, don't touch the net. If you touch the net, that's foul. The ball only can touch the net, okay? The ball can touch the net, alright? And on this side, on my side, I can touch 3 times. You can touch 3 times too, okay? If 4, that's my score, okay? Ready?